uh, I'm leading a project science.
Okay. Okay. Actually, Venkat, did you actually are you actually I am working for GSK project. I told GlaxoSmithKline.
GSK, I thought GST.
No. Yeah.
Actually, a lot of GST implementations are happening now.
Yeah.
So I thought some domestic GST project.
Okay. No. I think by pronunciation, by hearing that phone, it is wrong. I think it's a GSK project, and that project I just left last week. I am on bench now.
Let us discuss about today. I'll take like a very like a short session.
And earlier you told the CE functions are no more using just it is just that's why you already given a brief on that.
Like I given brief, but I didn't given presentation, right?
Correct. Yeah. Okay.
Actually, what is the concept is in some interviews, if you say I am having 2 years of experience or something, they may ask about what you know about the C functions. Okay, just they will ask background about C functions, why C functions are not used. Something, some may you can get some questions from the C function in point of view. So you prepare, like no need to practice the C functions, but at least you have to aware about what is the C function and how to handle the C functions. These are concept like syntax, everything you have to be you should have minimum knowledge on C functions. So that's why I'll take some topics about the C functions. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Hi Geeta, good morning and good evening. Let us start about C functions. Can you able to hear me? I think your voice is not ready. Yeah, like your audio is not ready. My voice is audible to you, Geeta? C functions. C functions are one of the important concept long back, but not now. Okay. While time of introduction of HANA, C functions are very important. Okay, most of coding, most of objects, SAP is recommended to go with the C functions. Mostly while BW HANA related projects, if you see still there are a lot of C functions are written in BW HANA project. After introduction of Business Suite on HANA, SAP started reducing support on CE functions. Okay, so what is CE functions? CE functions, calculated engine functions. Okay, calculated engine functions are mechanism introduced in SP2 onwards. In initial release of HANA, SAP released the CE functions. Okay, which will allow direct access to column store. It is mostly useful while you are saving, like you are designing a table as a column stores. Okay, it is having control over the column stores. We can do aggregations and projections like selections, everything we can do directly with the column store. Okay, C functions always run column engine, and it will get you result in very efficient way. Okay, so C functions, the syntax is little different from the normal SQL statement. Normal SQL statement will write a select queries. Here we will use it functions. There are different syntaxes are there. How to handle views, how to handle tables, and everything. Each type of object, there are different syntaxes are available. So you have to remember all the syntaxes while using the C functions. Okay. In 2013, after introduction of Business Suite and HANA, SAP reduced support to C functions. Okay, SP6 onwards, like SAP is not recommending to use C functions. So if you talk about Business Suite and HANA, like ABAP layer, the programming approach is different. Mostly we'll go for OpenSQL. Compared to C functions, OpenSQL queries are more powerful and more easy to write, because people are already comfortable with the SQL coding, so no need to learn new syntaxes or new commands. So already it is familiar to all the technical consultant. That's why SAP is continuing support to new OpenSQL rather than C functions. Okay, and we will witness OpenSQL statements are more faster than. Okay. Actually, nowadays there are a lot of S4 HANA implementations and Business Suite and HANA implementations are happening rather than BW HANA, standalone BW HANA implementation. So now in Business Suite HANA, it is not that much recommended to use C functions. Okay, and in SP7 onwards, SAP introduced C calculation views. Okay, calculation views are graphical way of presentation, like we already seen. We created projections and union, join. These are all concepts we can do with the calculation engine. If you do this, there is no need to go with C functions. Everything can be happened with calculation views and graphical way. Okay, no need to remember syntax and code. Okay, that's why nowadays C functions are not much popular. Okay, C functions are important in the past, but now there is no longer reason to use them. The main disadvantage is they are flexible, slower than OpenSQL or other SQL related concepts. Okay, and it is harder to program. Okay, SAP planning to withdraw their support, okay, on C functions. Okay, so whenever you use some performance point of view, we cannot see that much performance in the C functions compared to the new OpenSQL concepts. So if you see, okay, C functions are specially optimized for HANA to perform the SQL statement. C functions are executed in C. These are all we discussed. Just okay. This is the simple concept of C functions. Okay. If you write select A, comma B, comma C from the table. Okay, will you use CE function? CE column table, table name and field names. CE column table, table name and field names. That is the syntax. And if you want to select from the attribute view, CE join view. If you want to select from the analytical view, CE OLAP view. If you want to select from the calculation view, CE calculation view. Okay, based on the selection, like are you selecting from the table or view or attribute view, the syntax will vary. Okay, if you want to have having condition, first you have to select all the table. After that, you have to give projection. Okay, group by means CE aggregation and joins. Okay, CE join and left outer join, CE left outer join. Okay, like SQL, these are all union or CE union null. There are different syntaxes that are available. Okay, if you talk about traditional web, okay, this is the base syntax. So these are the CE functions available: CE column table, CE join view, CE OLAP, CE calculation view, CE join. These are the different CE functions are available in SAP. Okay, simple. Select ABC from the column table. Here we can use CE table, column table, ABC. Okay, this is the syntax. So if you see the some syntaxes, like no need to do practice, just if you aware about syntax, that's more than enough. Like see, this some code is available. So okay, you can see functions like out tab equal to CE column table, table name. It is similar to like we'll get output. After that, we can use normal statement. Clear? Hagita, are you there? Are you following us?
Yeah, yes, Venkat. I rejoined because because my audio was having some problem, so reconnect.
Okay, no issues. So this is the concept of like I'll send you this code also. Just you go through. My recommendation is no need to do practical because like how SAP scripts are not useful now. In the same way, there is not much implementations on CE functions. Maybe some support project, maybe you need to do some changes. That is also very rare activity. Okay, so most of cases CE function concept would be recommended by any of clients. But the thing is, you have to aware like what is the CE function, what are the syntaxes. Interviews they may ask if you are working for 2-3 years on HANA, at least you might have come across the CE function concept. Please explain that something. So you prepare your own like I'll send you these documents. Okay, own notes how to explain about CE functions. Just if you explain for 10-15 minutes about the CE function in detail, that's more than enough. Okay. No. Okay. How is your practice? I hope you're like this weekend. I'm going to share you some more documents. Maybe this weekend we don't have sessions because I'm busy with some GST activities. I'm leading some 15 to 20 clients for GST implementation, which is happening in this month end. So I may not take weekend sessions. From next week onwards, we'll have regular sessions, and we'll have some advanced concept like XSJS, XS4 data, Fiori and Fiori OData service, how to create OData service. Those concepts we'll discuss. Okay. Do you aware about OData service? Have worked on Fiori OData service limited? And one more thing we have to discuss about object oriented only also. So that also we can have. Okay.
So till Tuesday, our time, India time, we don't have session, right? Next.
Yeah. Maybe Sunday you may have session. Like I'll let you know about Saturday and Sunday. If possible, I'll take a session, regular session. So just you'll get okay 1 hour before. You'll get the intimation. Check your mails. So just if I get time, I'll
Okay. So tomorrow same time we don't have session because I'm traveling. I want to.
Yeah, mostly we don't have session.
Tomorrow. Okay. Okay.
You're traveling back to Hyderabad or
no, not back. No, I'm in hometown right now. Just I'm going out for some other work. Just tomorrow. And, just I'm asking about the advance.
No, we don't have any session. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll see you next week. Just I'm concluding early today, so I have some other works. I have to go early. Okay. We'll see you. Please utilize this weekend and do practice. Meanwhile, I'll send you all the documents in a proper format if I get time. And just concept-wise, you try to practice. If you have any queries, you can call me anytime. And otherwise, you can WhatsApp. In any manner, you can contact me. Okay, mail me or anything.
Okay. Thank you.
Please send the documents on
Yeah. I'll send you all the documents. Just now, I'll send you the raw documents. I'm preparing session wise, so it is taking time. I'm not getting proper time. I'll send you all the documents. Later, I'll consolidated documents. I'll send you later. Okay. These are all documents I'm going to share you now. Okay. You'll get a Google. Have you got a Google Drive access?
No, not yet any.
Yeah, I will share you Google Drive. There, all the documents are there. just immediately I'll talk with them. Now we'll get the Google Drive. Just go through that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Good night and good day. Bye.